One of the most common arguments for human evolution is that some humans develop tails. It is very rare, but it happens. This supposedly can only be due to humans descending from an ancestor with tails and hence proves human evolution. The references will be given in the video description in the order they appear in the video. Here is a reference regarding this argument. On rare occasions, humans are born with tails, real functioning tails that can even be wagged via voluntary muscle contractions in response to emotional stimuli. Although the birth of a baby with a tail is frightening for parents and typically requires surgery, the remarkable human tail is an important part of the even more remarkable tale of our origins, namely evolution. There are two types of supposed tails that are found in some humans. True tails are found on the coccyx. If humans have vestigial tails, then these would be those tails because tails in other mammals are also on the coccyx. Pseudo tails are found in other locations in the back. There's nothing like this in any mammals, so these cannot possibly be vestigial tails. Keep in mind that these tails give us evidence that even if a tail grows from a human, that does not mean that tail is present due to an ancestor with tails, and even if something seems to be due common descent, it does not mean that they are due to common descent. Here is a reference for my point regarding pseudotails. Pseudotail has no relationship to human tail development. It is a tissue that has been accidentally located in the lumbosacrococcygeal area. So this takes care of pseudotails. There are reasons why even the so-called true tail cannot be a vestigial tails, which we have because of common ancestry. All tails in mammals have bone, cartilage, spinal cord, and notochord. This supposedly vestigial tail has none of these features. If this tail is different from tails in all the mammals, then it is unlikely to be vestige derived from those mammals. Here is a reference for this. In all reported cases, the vestigial human tail lacks bone, cartilage, notochord, and spinal cord. It is unique in this feature. There is actually an even bigger problem for this argument. Recently, research has shown that both pseudotails and true tails are due to developmental defects and are not due to common descent. Many mainstream scientists are taking this position. After describing both true tails and pseudotails, this article states, as it turns out, both rare appendages probably represent an incomplete fusion of the spinal column, or what's known as a spinal dysraphism. This suggests their formation is not a harmless regression in the evolutionary process, but a concerning disturbance in an embryo's growth most likely resulting from a mix of genetic and environmental factors. So this popular and seemingly powerful argument for human evolution is dead. I am thinking about doing a second video dealing with the logic of this argument. If you are interested in that, let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video with your friends.